Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at the 17.5-inch solid single silver trailer wheel. Let's dive into it. Alright, so this is your 17.5-inch by 6 3/4-inch wide solid single trailer wheel. So this wheel works on 7,000 pound axles, 8,000 pound axles, 9,000, 10,000, and 12,000 pound axles. Any axles really with the 8 on 6.5 bolt pattern. It's a real heavy duty wheel. This wheel's rated at 6,005 pounds, and it was initially made to replace the duals on your 10K and 12K axles. But a lot of people nowadays run them on 7Ks and 8Ks all day long. We've been running them on 7Ks and 8Ks since, 2014. I love these things. The 17.5 tire and wheel combos, it's the only way to go in my book, even if you don't need that carrying capacity. It's better to have it and not need it than not have it. It has a negative 0.19 offset, so it's going to pretty much push away from the frame of the trailer. It's going to push your wheel out to just 0.19 of an inch away from the frame so it won't rub. So that's good. As you can see right here, 17.5-inch by 6 3/4, rated for 6,005 pounds. So it has the 4 3/4 or 4.77 hub piloted. It's a hub piloted wheel. So you really only have to worry about that with like older style 10K and 12Ks. Sometimes you'll run into a 10K or 12K that has a 4.88 hub. And if you have a 4.88 hub, unfortunately you cannot use these because the 4.75 center bore hole will not fit on the 4.88. However, that's kind of old school, so most of the 10K and 12Ks you see now are going to have that 4 3/4, so you'll have no problem there. 8 on 6.5 bolt pattern, like I said, so 8 lug, 6.5 being from center of one hole to center of the other hole straight across. It's technically made for 5/8 studs. However, I will say most of the customers I know, they run them with 9/16 with no problems. 1/2 inch, I wouldn't run them. I would at least upgrade. I mean, what other wheel's going to be rated at 6,005 pounds? I don't know of any other wheel besides the 17.5s. So I get this question a lot, like, what's the measurement from the ground to the center of the hole? So I'm just going to measure it real quick and show you. So if you're just laying it flat on the ground like that, faced up, where the valve stem's poking up, like you'd be looking at the wheel on your trailer, we're going to measure it. So from the ground to the top of the wheel right there, it's going to be 4 3/4. I don't know if you can see that or not, but 4 3/4. So there you go. There's your answer. And if you need these guys, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.